Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set side key to open your camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. Just go to the settings of your phone here and go to advanced features and go to side key and turn on this button, double press, and first option is quick launch camera. So if you double press this side key, camera will be opened. Okay, see here, camera is opened. So in this way you can easily set side key to open camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.